In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view OneDrive memories with our full 2025 guide. If you're looking to relive some nostalgic moments captured on your OneDrive, you're in the right place. Let's get started and walk you through everything you need to know to access those cherished memories. First, you'll want to open the OneDrive app on your device. If you don't have it already installed, head over to either the App Store if you're using an iOS device or Google Play for Android users. Ensure that it's updated to the latest version to experience all the current features seamlessly. Once your app is ready, the next step is to direct your attention to the bottom navigation bar within the app. Here you'll find a tab labeled Photos. Give this a tap. This tab is your gateway to all the photo-related elements of OneDrive, including memories, recent uploads, and much more. After you're in the Photos tab, you're going to scroll until you spot the On This Day section. This is where the magic happens. OneDrive intelligently curates your memories and highlights significant moments from past years based on your photo history. It's a delightful feature that allows you to take a walk down memory lane whenever you feel like it. Now let's talk about how you can engage with these memories. Each one is just waiting to be explored. To dive deeper into a specific memory, simply tap on it to expand the view. From here, you can genuinely immerse yourself in the moment as if it were yesterday. Moreover, OneDrive has made it incredibly easy to share these memories with your friends and family. Whether you want to spread joy or reminiscence together, you can share the photos right from the memory view. Simply hit the share option, choose your preferred way to share, and you're all set to spread some nostalgia. If there are specific photos that you want to keep handy, perhaps because they stand out as favorites, you can also mark them as such. There is an option to favorite photos within the memory view. Use it to create a collection of top highlights that hold special significance to you. Additionally, if you wish to store these moments somewhere other than OneDrive, say on your device, you can download them directly. The download option lets you keep a local copy of the photos for offline access anytime, anywhere. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can access and enjoy your OneDrive memories. We hope this guide helps you navigate the OneDrive app with ease and that you find joy in revisiting special moments from On This Day. Enjoy your trip down memory lane and don't forget to share this bliss with your loved ones.